Hello, I'm Daniel Ghinn, founder of CREATION, and today we're going to discover what healthcare professionals think about transcatheter aortic valve replacement, also known as TAVR. It's a pretty cool alternative to conventional heart surgery. And I'm here with Laura Cartwright. She's a research analyst on CREATION's awesome team.
Hi.
And Laura, you've been looking at what healthcare professionals have been saying about TAVR.
Yeah, I was using CREATION Pinpoint to listen to what healthcare professionals are saying on Twitter during the American College of Cardiology's exposition in March this year. And yeah, there was over 15,000 Twitter mentions directly relating to ACC, so we wanted to kind of narrow down on something they were really excited about.
So 15,000 times healthcare professionals were actually posting on Twitter during that Congress meeting?
Yeah, they were loving it, yeah.
Wow, wow. And there was one topic that stood out above all the others?
Yeah, so that was TAVR, coming from the fact that two manufacturers, Edward Life Sciences and Medtronic, had both released really positive trial data regarding this procedure during the Congress.
So you saw healthcare professionals getting quite excited about TAVR?
Yeah, they were being really emotive in how they were talking about it. They described it as groundbreaking and historic. They're really excited about the future of it.
And did they think it was going to change their behaviours, the way they were using treatment?
Yeah, so they're calling for it to be the new standard of care amongst all patients, not just those who are high risk of surgical aortic valve replacement.
Wow. And in what sort of ways were you seeing them engage each other or connect with each other on Twitter during the Congress to kind of get this conversation going?
Yeah, so they were really kind of engaging with each other's posts. There was one cardiologist who started a poll asking his fellow peers whether they would use TAVR after this new trial data, and 3/4 of them said yes, I'd prefer to do that than the surgical options.
So they're almost doing this kind of instant peer review of the data that was
Yeah, I think this was literally the day after the trial had been presented.
Right, okay. And were they referencing any scientific material?
Yeah, so there was one, the most shared source throughout the whole exposition actually was a New England Journal of Medicine article that outlined the results of one of the trials. Yeah, and that got shared over 100 times by healthcare professionals.
Wow. And what do they think is happening next? What's actually in practice the kind of way forward, as far as you were able to tell from healthcare professionals in that conversation during that Congress?
Well, as I say, there was a call for it to become the new standard of care. So they are really, really hopeful about it, but there is some acknowledgement that they'll need a longer term follow-up. They're really positive about the prospects of that, but just to kind of double check the safety later on.
Great, so there's a call for more data going forward?
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent, great. Well, thank you, Laura. Thanks for sharing that. And you can go to see Laura's full analysis at creation.co/knowledge.